I just did a trial assembly, no gluing, of this hanging cabinet. It's in the Philadelphia Museum of Art. It's a Pennsylvania German piece, probably. Yeah, in 1750. I found this piece in a Lester Margon book, More American Furniture Treasures. And there is a picture of the Philadelphia Museum piece. And they sent me a high-res picture, so I'll be using that to finish up some of the design stuff. Lester Margon does really nice drawings with dimensions, and so I can load this into SketchUp. And here's my model in SketchUp. The original piece is very large. It's more than 4 feet high. And this goes into a corner of a room. You can see how this would go into a corner. The right angles here. And the original piece is just way too big to fit in our house with an 8-foot ceiling. So I loaded it into SketchUp at the full size, and then I did a sizing at 3/4 size with one SketchUp activity, and I knocked that down to 75%. So it's 3/4 size. This is 3/4 size of the original. It's all pine now, and there's a lot more to do. This is just getting the fundamental carcass put together, and you can see the shape, the complicated shape involved in doing this, with a lot of spline connections and angles here between the pieces. This is Ponderosa Pine, which is really nice. I'm using 3/4, well, it's rough, 1 inch. I'm building with 3/4 inch stock. The original piece was with 1 inch thicknesses. So with my 3/4 size, this 3/4 thickness works. Actually, I did 13/16 thickness. And you can see these plates. There are 4 plates in here. And I've got wood screws that are holding this together. Nothing is glued. Of course, all these screws are hidden back here. This goes against the wall, the corner. So all these screws will be hidden. Then there is a molding that comes across the top here that covers these screws. Also a molding strip that goes around here, and another one down at the bottom. This is an open area up here at the top. And then down here is space for a door. So I'm not sure how they actually built this thing. I'm just guessing of what they did. I've got 3/16 thick splines in all of these joints here, holding these front, side, and back pieces together. Then these front rails are mortise and tenon. There's a drawer that will go down here at the bottom, a small drawer. And I've got to work out all this inner structure for that drawer. That has to be done. Then there's a lot of shaping to be done. So you can see the shaping up here at the top. And then this very difficult crest, whatever you call it up here at the top, which is going to be a big job. And there's some recess shapes here in these side pieces, and quite a exaggerated cutout up here in these sides. So there's plenty of work and challenges left to be done. This has been fun so far to try to sort out the joinery and get this to all come together like this. I'm pleased that I've got the carcass in good shape here to do all the embellishments now.